Hi, I'm Dhruv Doshi of Class 10C at the Cathedral and John Collins School. I'm a member of the FSA club. Today I'm going to be showing you how the perfect Astro image is taken. It is cloudy today, that's why the moon will be a great target. So, before we start off, let me show you how the telescope is assembled. Now that the telescope has been assembled, let me show you all the parts individually. So first, this is the tripod. It acts as the legs of the telescope and also acts as a rigid support. This is the Equatorial Mount. Telescopes have two types of mounts, equatorial mounts and altazimuth mounts. Altazimuth mounts move up, down, left and right, while equatorial mounts align with the Earth's orbit and help us track objects as they move through the night sky. This is usually used for deep sky objects which cannot be seen through the naked eye. This is the telescope tube. This is the red dot finder scope and it's used to find objects that we can see with our eyes. Usually when we switch it on, there's a red light that projects onto this blue screen, and once this light is aligned with the celestial object that we want to track, that object should appear on the eyepiece right here. Now since I've shown you all parts of the telescope, let's get on to the imaging part. Since the telescope is now aligned at the moon, I should start taking pictures of it. To do so, I have this phone mount which is connected to the eyepiece. This will connect my phone to the eyepiece itself and keep it still. Let me show you how I do it. Just like that, we are ready. The moon is the closest object to the Earth and the light from the moon travels to the Earth quite fast. That's why I won't do anything crazy and will just take 10 1-second exposures probably for this session and stack them to get the most detail out of my image. Sadly, I cannot show you all this process because it is completely automated by my phone, and yeah, let's see how it goes. The moon that I shot today was a 33.31% waxing crescent moon. These are my 10 exposures that I sent to my laptop. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, and the 10th one. After taking my basic images, I open an app called TIFF. I first upload all my image files here and then convert it into a file type which is known as a TIFF file. Once this is done, I open another app which I call Auto Stacker. This takes an aggregate of all the images taken and converts it into one proper file. Let me show you all what the outcome was. This was the outcome of the image. Then I usually go into Photoshop and I make some small changes here and there. Let me show you all what the final image is like.